Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will learn how to change text on a photo or a certificate in Adobe Photoshop. In this case, we will change the date. Let's import the certificate in Adobe Photoshop. Let's zoom it a little. Click on Text. Write the same date as written below. Click on Path Selection tool to apply the changes. Press Ctrl+T to select the new text. Match the size of text by dragging the box. Let's change the color of text now. Click on Horizontal Type tool and select the whole text. Click on Eyedropper tool and pick the color of text. Now we have to find the same font from the list. Click on Horizontal Type tool and select the text. In this case, it is a human variable concept and it is bold. Click on Path Selection tool to accept the changes. Press Ctrl+T to select the text box and drag it onto the original text. Modify the size so that they look exactly same. They look exactly same now. We will hit the original text by creating a new layer. Click on Rectangle Marquee tool. Select the background layer. Click under the text and draw a rectangle. Press Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V. It will create a new layer. Select the newly created Layer 1 and press Ctrl+T. Drag the rectangle on text and it will hide the original text. Now we can modify the text. Click on the Horizontal Type tool and modify the date. So we have successfully replaced the text. Let's export it as a picture. Go to File and select Export and then Quick Export as PNG. Give it a name and save it. Here is the original certificate and here is the modified certificate. That's it for today. Subscribe for more videos. Have a good day. Bye.